If you want to play the Royal Match game on your PC, then you will need to use an Android emulator such as BlueStacks Player. To install this emulator, go into BlueStacks.com and download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, you can open it up and click through the next buttons to complete the installation. Once it is installed, you can simply use the Google Play Games search box and then type in Royal Match to begin your search. Now, from the search results page, click on the game and then click on Install from Google Play. If you are installing for the first time, you will be asked to log into your Google account. After logging in, you will end up within the game page. Just tap on the install button, and this will now begin the download and installation of the Royal Match game. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you will see that the play button becomes clickable, and you will also find a shortcut on your desktop. You can double click on it directly to launch the game on your device. And now you can start enjoying the Royal Match game on your PC using BlueStacks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.